we are all Kenyans, and we know that the broad-based government came because of the pressures from the street. So just acknowledge that the whole broad-based thing is because of pressure. We are not saying your office...
Survival mechanism.
Yeah, it was a survival mechanism. That's why we have the broad-based government. So don't deny an obvious fact.
Chair, I want to say that I am not sure that the Honourable Member is speaking for me, because I'm speaking for myself on what my honest opinion is that the President has powers to create. As to why he did the creation, as to how he wants it, I am saying that it is within his mandate to do it, and I cannot speak for those that create offices.
All right.
But I have not responded, Chair.
Continue to respond to the next one.
Yes, on the issue. Chair.
On the issue?
Chair, I'm talking about the pressure versus professionalism. And I was saying I have already, and I will continue to give this honorable committee the kind of person I am, the leadership and integrity in me, the bodies I have served, the trust I have earned from those bodies. I continue to say that I earned the public trust despite any politics. I participated in programs of this country despite politics.